Without God, you are nothing, but with God, you have everything. God is like oxygen. You can't see him, but you can't live without him. If you'd lost everything in life but still have God, you lost nothing, because if God is all you have all you need. Your job is temporary. Your money is temporary. Your pain, your stress, but your relationship with God is forever, and nobody can take that away from you. Life without God is empty, meaningless. It's like an unsharpened pen, so it has no point.